Let's go to the second advantage, which is database management. In the book page 85, it says, data is a collection of values in the form of rows and columns. You may know once you collect data in the form of rows and columns, it will automatically form a table. So now you can see here I have given some of the students' details in the form of a table. This table can be named as a simple database. Let me go back to the textbook, page 85, where the description about the database is given. Further it says, data can be easily created and maintained in MS Excel. Let me show you how we can do that. Once you look at this database, you may see the table is sorted according to the student admission number. But what I want is to rearrange them according to their names. Therefore, I am going to add an option called a filter. So, I'll select the first row of the database and go to Sort and Filter option, which is in the Home tab editing group. Now you will see each of the headings have small buttons which are called drop-down buttons. Now, if you observe the database, you may have noticed the students' names are not being arranged in alphabetical order. So, let me arrange them by clicking the drop-down button on the name column. Now you can see there are two sort options, A to Z or Z to A. A to Z means ascending, Z to A means descending. Let me click A to Z. Do you see now the students' names are in alphabetical order? Like that, we can arrange our data to any field. To DOB, date of birth, ENT, which is enrollment test marks, or ID by clicking each of the filter drop-down buttons. So I hope now you have a clear idea about what is a database and how Excel is useful to create and maintain it. Let us move to the last advantage, chart. Microsoft Excel helps you to create chart as well. Creating and editing chart are quite easy in MS Excel. You can see I have already created a column chart. You can create a variety of charts like a pie chart, line chart, bar chart, etc. You also can make use of 3D effects like this. The most important thing that I want to show you is, once you change the data in the database, the chart also will have changed according to new records. Let me show you. I am going to change a few marks in this database. Meanwhile, you look at the chart. So here I am changing James marks and enters it. Did you notice the chart also changed? Let me change another one. This time I am going to change Benjamin's marks. Got it?